This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying Windows 10 build and free disk space because a partial restore fails. Next, connect the external drive or map the network share where the backup sits. Make sure the connection is stable. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery, or open Control Panel and choose Backup and Restore, Windows 7. This gets you immediately into the correct restore tools, so you can select the image or file-level backup without wasting time. You now select the exact backup to restore and set options. This is critical for integrity. If it is a system image, you should boot into Advanced Startup or the Windows Recovery environment to run the image restore. This ensures system files are replaced safely. For file-level restores, use File History or the Backup and Restore dialog to pick folders and versions. Make sure to verify timestamps and sizes once confirmed. Choose whether to overwrite current files or restore alongside them for safety. You start the restore and watch progress. Do not interrupt the process since interruptions corrupt the result. Once complete, reboot Windows and validate applications, drivers, and settings. Ensure devices function. If something went wrong, use Windows Startup Repair or run chkdsk to fix disk issues and then retry the restore from a different backup copy if available. Make sure to document any error codes. They guide your next steps. Finally, keep a working backup strategy to avoid repeat emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.